Iftikhar ji, I'll tell you something. Sir, you've come all the way from Srinagar. He's travelled from Mumbai. We are sitting in Noida. Okay? India is a democratic country. We are a democratic newsroom. He's got the right to speak his mind. You have the right to speak your mind. If he says something,
of course,
our constitution gives him the freedom to.
Of course.
So you don't have to ridicule him and says that he knows.
I never ridiculed him.
But it's okay. I'm just saying.
Do you accept that Farooq Abdullah is the leader of Jammu and Kashmir?
Of course, his party has won.
That's what I said.
That's all.
No,
his party
you
has
said
won.
That's why I said.
No.
I said he is not you and me.
No,
he
no,
knows
no.
Kashmir
Nobody
better than
can
you and
each
me.
other. Nobody can.
I said there's no.
Why don't you do one thing in the
Acha, okay. You and Farooq Abdullah knows better Kashmir than me.
Okay, let me do one thing.
Farooq Abdullah will do differently.
We'll go the ground.
This is
And particularly, I will assure you one thing. This government is going to give the justice to the Kashmiri Pandits, which BJP has not done for.
On that happy note,
10 years.
on that happy note, Suesha will buy jalebis for all of you. Please, we'll give you jalebis. Take jalebis back to Srinagar.
And our reporters are on the ground. We should go to Rakshita. She's at Lal Chowk right now. Rakshita, if I can come to you, you do hear the two sides in the studio and how polarized it is. But it is very important to hear what the people feel, because we can go on arguing here, but the fact is that the BJP has certainly performed better, and the vote share is speaking for itself. Similarly, we understand that the NC has taken the lead, and Farooq Abdullah his word in terms of Omar Abdullah heading Jammu and Kashmir now will also happen. How are the people on the ground feeling about it?
Well, we'll just, in fact, try and speak to some of them, because this is the Lal Chowk, there's a lot of talk about Lal Chowk. We've heard about the history of it and how, if you can just pan around, it's a very windy afternoon here, and we are talking about winds of change in Naya Kashmir. Well, what we've seen in terms of change is the atmosphere. You can see people here, everybody, the media, and even the political leaders very freely are here. It's, of course, a boost to tourism we've seen after Article 370. But, of course, there was a lot of talk about will the BJP be able to transcend, in fact, convert this into an electoral gain. We can't say that it has actually, how much has it affected, that's a different thing. But if we see, the NC candidate from Lal Chowk has won. It was a triangular contest between NCP, BJP and the PDP. The NC candidate has won from Lal Chowk, that falls in the Srinagar division, one of the 8 constituencies in Srinagar. And you can see people are also very curious. Election का result आया, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा जी।
यहाँ पर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस जो है वो लीड कर रही है। उमर अब्दुल्ला चीफ मिनिस्टर बन सकते हैं
जी, बहुत अच्छा बनने हैं वे, मतलब अच्छे के लिए। आगे देखेंगे क्या हो जाएगा। अब सरकार बनने जा रही है दूसरी, अब उसके लिए देखेंगे।
आपको लगता है कुछ बदलाव आएगा?
हम तो चाहते बदलाव आना चाहिए। काम वाम थोड़ा ठप पड़े हैं यहाँ पे। हाँ जी।
और आपको कुछ लगता है?
यही बोलेगा बस।
Achha, so there you can see people here are in fact very hopeful what really happens from here on, because the national